Welcome back to the quick dart programming course. Now it's time to work on list and map methods. In our previous classes, we have done quiz on real scenarios on strings. Similarly, list and map methods are also very important to understand because we are going to collect the data from the front end and we are going to store it in a list or map. And this data is going to be sent to the database using JSON file, and you are going to collect the data from database and store it in a list and map and try to display on the front end. So most of the times we are going to use list and map methods. So that's why it's very important to understand list and map methods. Simply understanding how to place data in the list, how to remove data in the list, how to convert a list to the map, how to convert map to the list, and there are so many methods that are available on list and map. How to identify the keys in the map, how to identify the values in the map. Like that, there are so many methods. Simply understanding is not enough here because regularly we are going to use. Here there is no logic. We need practice. So that's why we have to practice. This hands-on practice is needed for list and map methods. That's why we are providing code snippets to practice. The code snippets are available at wisdomers.in. There you have to take the Dart programming course. In that second section, function section, you are having list and map methods lesson. In that we are having a code snippets. You just copy paste the code snippets and try to understand how they are working and check the output. You change, you do some modifications in the code and again check it. Like that you have to practice. This practice is must for better developing of Android apps. So use that code snippets and do hands-on experience. That helps you a lot in understanding the coding. So if you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.